Hello, my name is Jade Espinar, a student at the University of the Philippines, Open University, taking up Master of Information Systems. In this video, I will be discussing various programming languages used for AI development. Specifically, I will be discussing the following: AI development, comparison of three programming languages used in AI, trends, and conclusion. AI development refers to the process of creating systems and applications that can simulate human intelligence. This includes tasks like learning from data, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. AI development has revolutionized industries by enabling technologies like self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and personalized recommendations. Programming languages are essential for AI because they provide the instructions and logic that enable AI to function. They serve as the tools that developers use to build, train, and deploy AI models. Some languages offer simple syntax and extensive libraries, making it easier to experiment and innovate, while others are critical for complex AI computations, large data sets, natural language processing, computer vision, or statistical modeling. By understanding the role of programming languages in AI, we can appreciate how they shape these emerging intelligent technologies. Python is a top choice for AI development thanks to its rich library ecosystem with tools like TensorFlow for deep learning and scikit-image for image processing. Its simple and readable syntax allows developers to quickly learn the language. Supporting multiple paradigms such as imperative, object-oriented, or functional, Python is flexible and easy to debug as an interpreted language. Its compatibility with various operating systems further solidifies its role as a versatile and powerful tool for AI. So the applications include machine learning with frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, data analysis and visualization using Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, and natural language processing with libraries like NLTK and Spacey. Java excels in AI and other applications due to its structured syntax and strong object-oriented design, which promote clarity, modularity, and reusability in code. As a compiled language, Java ensures efficient performance and platform independence through its write once, run anywhere capability. With its extensive libraries such as Weka for machine learning and Deep Learning 4J for deep learning, Java is a reliable choice for building scalable and robust AI systems. Its applications include enterprise-level AI solutions such as fraud detection and integration with big data like Hadoop and Spark. R is a powerful programming language widely used for statistical analysis and data visualization. Supporting both functional and imperative paradigms, R offers flexibility in programming styles. As an interpreted language, it enables quick testing and iteration, making it a favorite among data scientists for statistical modeling and exploratory data analysis. Its applications include statistical modeling, academic and research such as bioinformatics, and machine learning with packages like Caret and MLR. To summarize, Python is best for its simplicity, versatility, and extensive AI libraries. Java is ideal for robust, scalable, and enterprise-level AI applications. And finally, R excels in statistical analysis and research-based AI tasks. AI is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and here are some key trends shaping its future. Hybrid programming uses different programming languages like Python, R, and Java together to build AI systems. Agentic AI allows AI to make decisions and take actions on its own. Explainable AI helps us understand how AI makes its choices, making it more trustworthy. Finally, AI for edge computing allows AI to process data right on devices like phones and sensors, making everything faster and more efficient. These trends are paving the way for smarter, more efficient, and responsible AI innovations. Programming languages play a crucial role in the development of AI, with Python, Java, and R each offering unique strengths suited to different aspects of AI development. As AI continues to evolve, emerging trends like hybrid programming, agentic AI, explainable AI, and edge computing will drive further advancements, making AI smarter, more efficient, and more transparent. By understanding these trends and the programming languages behind them, we can better appreciate the impact of AI on our world and look forward to the exciting developments on the horizon. Thank you very much, and here are my references.